Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 404 error in GoDaddy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically the 404 error means that the page exists in your website content but cannot be found by the server. So on GoDaddy it usually happens because of a few different reasons. So the URL is wrong, the page or file was deleted, wrong domain or directory pointing, homepage isn't set correctly, corrupted WordPress.ht access files, even plugin conflicts or broken permalinks, and yeah, DNS not fully propagated. So yeah, these can be the main reasons why you're getting that 404 error. So I'm going to run through some fixes here. So fix number one is to republish your site. So go to your GoDaddy dashboard, go to website, edit site and publish. This is going to restore all pages and links. And also make sure the homepage is assigned. So site settings, go site navigation and set as homepage and check navigation link. So make sure each button or link goes to the correct page as well. Now the next fix is to fix your GoDaddy WordPress hosting. So we want to go and reset permalinks. Now this is the fastest fix. So this fixes 90% of WordPress 404 errors. So to do this, go to WP admin settings permalinks, select a different structure and click save. Then switch back to your preferred structure, save again. This is going to rebuild your .ht access. Now the next fix is to disable plugins causing these 404 errors. So some plugins break URLs, so this can be security caching redirect plugins. So to do this, simply go to WP admin plugins, deactivate all, and then reactivate these one by one.